Good afternoon. My name is Michelle Rella, and today I will be sharing Wakelet with you. Now, as a teacher myself, however we can make life easier for ourselves, we're going to try it. So I hope after this tutorial, you're going to love Wakelet as much as I do. Now, Wakelet, just to kind of give you a little quick review of what it is, it's basically all the resources teachers already use, but instead of having to give kids different links to go to different, say, Google Forms or PDFs, what have you, it's a one-stop shop, putting everything in one place, which is simple. Less steps, easier, student-friendly, and teachers less stressed, hopefully. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So once you're logged into your account, you should go to your homepage, and then once you're there, you're going to go ahead and click on that giant green button and create yourself a new collection. Once you do that, step 2, you're going to want to give your collection a title. So say I'm creating one for biology. So I went ahead and titled it Biology Symbiosis. A little description: this collection will serve as materials and information on different symbiotic relationships. Now say I want to jazz things up. I can add some cover images to it. Now you have two options. You can add from your own computer, or you can choose from their library. So I decided to choose from their library, and it gave me a colorful little photo of a clownfish here, since we're talking about symbiosis. All right, once that's put in place, now the real fun begins, okay? So in step 3, we're going to begin adding our resources to our collection. So you're going to click on each icon, and you can add as many links as you want just by clicking additionally on this green arrow. So again, it's things we already use. We add text, we use YouTube, Twitter, we can upload from the Google Drive, Flipgrid. So I'm going to go over a couple of examples right here. So say I want to add text. So right here I want to add some notes for my students, some quick definitions so that they kind of get the gist of what we're talking about. So I talked about the 3 types of symbiosis: mutualism, commensalism, parasitism. Done. If I need to edit, click on this little pencil. If I'm not satisfied, I can trash it. Now let's say, okay, I have this text, but let's add a video from YouTube to kind of bring it to life. So once I click on that YouTube icon, it'll pull up every single video associated with that word. And I can scroll through, pick what I'd like, and then boom, it's there. Now let's say I want to add a PDF so that they can work on, or say, a reading assignment that I have on. So again, upload a PDF, a Word document, anything like that. Now say I want to add something from Twitter, post a discussion question on my Twitter handle. A lot of teachers do have those out there. Again, you can add this on there. They click, takes it straight to them. Also, you have a collection of different links that you'd like the kids to visit. More examples, say National Geographic, Yellowstone National Park, what have you. Again, you can bookmark them. So again, not 20 million different links and go here, all in one place. Now, as we all know, you have to get some kind of quick check or some type of assessment on the kids. So option 1, again, we can upload from the Google Drive. So right here, I made a quick little Google form on symbiosis practice, Go through it, bam, straight to Google Classroom, and there I have my quiz grade. Or let's say I want something a little less informal. We can upload a Flipgrid. So in my question, I asked them to describe the 3 types of symbiosis and give me examples. And again, once they're done, it is right away transferred to your Flipgrid account. Really easy. So at this point, I bet you're as excited as I am. Now in step 4, you can also change the look of your Wakelet. So if you noticed, mine was just kind of straight through, vertical looking. So what you'll do is you'll click on Media View, okay? And you can either squeeze it all together, compact view if you're thinking of their Chromebooks. I chose right here, the example off to the side is the mood board. It kind of flows nicely in my opinion. But again, it's completely up to you how you want the kids to see it. So I would just suggest clicking on each of them, see what looks better, what flows better for your Wakelet collection. Step 5, now this is really important. You're going to want to choose the viewing access of your collection. Do you want it to be public where anyone can see it, or unlisted, only those with the link can view it, or private, only you can view it? And again, this is right at the top of your Wakelet, okay? It'll It'll say private. You can click on it and then you can choose the access that you want. In most cases, for most teachers, you'll want to go unlisted and then you just provide the kids with your link. If you're doing some kind of tutorial for other teachers, then go ahead and make it public. Or if it's just for you, say a resume, then you can keep that as a private collection where only you can view it. And then step 6, we just hit that green button off to the left-hand side, save, and then we can share it. We'll click the 3 little dots and we can share it via the QR code, Facebook, Twitter. We've got Remind, which is great, Google Classroom. If you want to post the URL on your web page or blog, again, really easy to get out to the students and multiple ways to share it, not just one. Now, let's say that you need to embed this Wakelet into a web page or blog. Again, super easy. At the very top, those 3 buttons right above your picture, again, you'll click on those 3 and then you'll click on embed. Screen like this should pop up. At the very bottom, you will click copy that embed code, and then it should come up in the lower part of your screen, embed code copied. And again, once you get to your website or your blog, you just copy and paste and done. So again, I really hope you enjoy this. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you love Wakelet as much as I do. Thank you. Bye-bye.